Good morning, everyone. Well, after a very nice weekend in the region, it is going to be a hot one today. In fact, we're talking about the possibility of record high temperatures once again. Now, it's going to be close today. We might just miss the record highs, but notice that we're forecasting a high of 93, and the record high at our official climate site in the region, the Valparaiso Airport, 94. That was set back in 2002. So it is possible we could tie that record high if temperatures overachieve just a little bit. What's most likely is we'll just miss it, but clearly going to be hot this afternoon. High of 93, certainly above normal for this time of year. Sunny skies, not much wind, just 10 to 15 miles per hour in the afternoon. Now, one thing that is going to help this afternoon is there's not going to be much humidity. So the good news is that 93 is really going to feel like 93. You don't have to add any extra degrees to that temperature. And a sign that it's not too humid just yet is our low temperature tonight. Notice that a normal low for this time of year is 62, and we're only going to be 4 degrees above that tonight, even though we're going to be near record highs this afternoon, a low of 66 in the region. Still clear skies and the winds dying back down a little bit, just 5 to 10 miles per hour. As hot as today is going to be, though, tomorrow is going to be worse. Look at our high temperatures. These are just the high temperatures that are forecast for tomorrow. Look how many places are in the upper 90s. 98 in Hammond, 98 in Valparaiso, 97 in Kentland. If you're right next to the lake, maybe just the low 90s. So that's as cool as it's going to be. I think there is going to be a little bit more wind tomorrow afternoon. We're looking at gusts 20, 25 miles per hour and just a little bit more cloud cover. We'll call it mostly sunny skies across the area. Still no chance of rain. However, tomorrow we've got to call it humid. Now, not very high humidity, but just enough humidity where, yes, we've got to talk about what it's actually going to feel like in the afternoon. You factor in the humidity and look at this. Notice not a huge difference between the high temperatures and the feels like temperatures, but there is a difference. Particularly, it looks like in and around Chicago itself. It looks like the humidity is actually going to be a little bit higher over in Illinois than Northwest Indiana. So there might be a couple spots, particularly in the far eastern part of the region, where there may not be enough humidity for there to be a difference between the high temperatures and the feels like temperatures. But particularly if you're in the western part of the region, Lake County, Newton County, those feels like temperatures absolutely in the upper 90s, and there could be a few spots to see feels like temperatures in the triple digits. Now, the good news is we are going to get a weak cold front Tuesday night, so this will be the worst of it, looking a little bit cooler for Wednesday.